Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device and also remove a screen lock if you have one that, for instance, you don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device, and you can see that I do have a screen lock set right here. And to get started with this, we're going to, number one, hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold the power key and the volume down. Now there's a little trick to it. You're going to hold both of those keys together, and the moment you see LG logo, you're going to let go of the power key and then start holding it again. So now putting that in actual visual perspective, power key, volume down, LG logo appears, let go of the power and hold it again. And this will take you to the factory data reset. Now this is the recovery mode with only one option right here. And you will navigate through this menu using volume keys. So volume up and down, as you can see, navigate through the two options that we have. And you want to select yes and then confirm it with power key. And then again, we're gonna select yes and confirm that once more. And this will begin the process. There we go. So this will probably take a couple minutes to complete. Now once it's finished, it will bring us back to Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.